This video demonstrates installing the T-harness. While the vehicle in the video may not match your vehicle exactly, the process is the same. Start by unsnapping the side panel. You can let it hang loose. Turn on the vehicle. Rotate the steering wheel to gain access to the screws underneath. Remove the screws. Remove the screw on the underside of the steering column cover. Using the pry tool, remove the lower steering column cover. Use the pry tool to unsnap the lower dash panel. There is no need to remove the lower dash panel completely. If needed, you can insert the pry tool between the panels for easier access to the ECU. While this vehicle has 3 connectors in a column, some vehicles may only have 2. It is not technically possible to connect the T-harness to the wrong connector. Remove the 30-pin connector from the ECU and plug the T-harness in line. Next, locate the 7-pin steering lock connector. Disengage the white casing from the metal clip securing it by pushing it with a flathead screwdriver. Behind the white casing is the steering lock connector. Using a flathead screwdriver, insert the screwdriver into the tab and pull downwards. Connect the T-harness's black connector into the vehicle. Then take the vehicle's connector and connect it to the other side of the T-harness. Use the provided zip ties to secure the module. Installation is now complete.